This video will show you how to fix the problem of ChatGPT login isn't working. Here we have the chat home page with the login button missing. When we try to enter a prompt in the chat box, nothing happens. It's clear that we aren't connected to our ChatGPT account. Since there's no login button, we can't log into our account. Here are the steps on how to fix the problem. First, you want to check whether the chat service is working fine. To do this, visit OpenAI status. Here the message says that all systems are operational. So, there's no problem with the ChatGPT system. Let's now move on to the next step. On Chrome, go to Settings. Click on the three dots on the top right corner. Scroll down and choose Settings. On the left panel, select Privacy and Security. Then go to Site Settings. Next, choose View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. Search for ChatGPT. Then go ahead and delete ChatGPT site data. You'll be warned that you'll be signed out of ChatGPT. Go ahead and hit the delete button. Go back to ChatGPT and reload the page. You can now see that the login button appears. Although the login button appears now, it may disappear by the next time you try to log into ChatGPT. To avoid the problem, follow these steps. Go to Settings. On the left panel, select Privacy and Security. Then go to Site Settings. Then go to Additional Content Settings. Then scroll to On-Device Site Data. Under Customized Behavior, go to Always Delete Site Data from your device when you close Chrome. Click on the Add button. Then add the ChatGPT URL. Let's try accessing the ChatGPT site a few days later. We find that we can log into ChatGPT without any issue. That's how you fix ChatGPT login problem. Now go ahead and give the steps a try.
Simply click the link below to learn more.